Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make eggless meringue. Start by draining a can of chickpeas and measuring 3/4 cup aquafaba, then chill it for firmer peaks. Use a clean bowl and whisk at medium speed until soft peaks appear, about 8 to 12 minutes. Gradually add 1 cup superfine sugar, a pinch of cream of tartar, and keep whisking until glossy stiff peaks form. Bake at low heat or dry in oven for a crisp finish. If your aquafaba meringue is slow to whip, be patient and keep the bowl cold to help volume develop. Try switching to superfine sugar and add it slowly to prevent collapse and graininess. A small pinch of cream of tartar or a few drops of lemon juice will help stabilize the foam and produce glossy, firm peaks that hold their shape for piping and baking. Eggless meringue can be adapted for many desserts, from crisp cookies to a soft pavlova topped with fresh fruit. Flavor the aquafaba with vanilla, cocoa, or espresso powder before whipping to create unique shells or fillings. For a chewier result, fold in a touch of corn syrup or brush shells with melted chocolate after baking to seal them and add richness and texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.